How to create Revolut account. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to revolut.com, or you can simply download the Revolut app on your Android or iOS device. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on sign up. Then you're gonna get redirected here, and basically what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your mobile number. So you're gonna have to choose your country and then simply enter the mobile number, and then after that what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the send button here, and then you're gonna receive a message on your phone number with the confirmation code. So all you have to do now is simply open the app on your phone, and then simply use the same phone number that you just used here to log in. And then you're gonna have to simply enter some information about you, like your first and last name, your address, and basically that's all you have to do in order to create a Revolut account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.